In this Lotus Tech Tip, we will show you which cleaning tasks are required in the high pressure module to guarantee a stable cleaning result. When your reclaiming system is working as it should, you have to take into consideration that most of the pollution will take place in the last module, which is the high pressure module. So also understand that most of the maintenance that you have to do takes place in this module. Pollution on these profiles must be removed in order for the high pressure nozzles to slide up and down smoothly. If these profiles are too dirty, the risk is that the green belts may break. The pollution on these profiles is mainly emulsion. You can cut these off easily with a putty knife. Rub the contamination with a cloth or stripper from the second module. Wait a moment for the liquid to soak in and then use a putty knife to remove the contamination. It's not necessary to remove the pollution on the back wall and on the back of the door. This pollution has no effect on cleaning or the operation of your machine. This sensor pin must be cleaned as well. If there's too much dirt on it, like you see here, the sensor can get stuck. And then the module continues to spray water. That is not harmful, but it is a waste of water. On the bottom, the belts run over wheels with a bearing. To ensure that the nozzles move up and down smoothly, it is important that you keep these wheels clean. There is a filter in this last module as well, which pumps away the wastewater. Wipe this filter regularly with a cloth. And the same as with the middle module, make sure that the filter is always with its feet down, otherwise the filter may become clogged. This Lotus Tech Tip was made possible with the friendly cooperation of Cotton Bag Joe in Wuppertal.